Hi YouTubers, JDCap26 here. We just do the repair and tips. And, I'm going to talk to you about 3D printing. This is my type of 3D printing and what I imagine it would be is you take a phone and you would focus in on that, I can't do it really with two phones, but you focus in on and take a picture of that pocket knife. Once you get the picture, okay, you import it into your computer, okay, and you also take measurements and you measure the width and the length and the thickness of your item. So you got the picture with the measurements of width, length, and thickness, and you import those measurements into the program of the 3D printer. So the 3D printer has the photo and the measurements, and that's all it should need. You don't have to do any CAD, any other programs. You hit print and you get a replication of this pocket knife out of the 3D printer. That's how and what I see in the future of a 3D printer that would be $200 or $400 to purchase, and what they're getting to. No extra programming, just measure, take a picture, measure, and print the item out in whatever filament you want. So I want to share that with you, and I hope you're having a nice day. And please rate, share, and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye now.